Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about our crew. You know, I talk all the time about how we install windows, we talk about how we use this kind of foam and that kind of caulking and this kind of flashing, but what I've never talked about much is our crew leader of the month and what that means. So, you know, it's not one of those things where we say to people, can you hurry up and put in more windows today? What we actually want is, we want people to take their time to do it right. And we don't pay them by the window, which a lot of companies do. They're actually salaried employees or hourly employees. So there's no rush. There's no rush to get those windows in and get out of there. We want quality work. So here's how we compensate our guys. We compensate them fairly, but we give them bonuses. And one of the bonuses we do is this. We have a quality assurance manager who travels to every job site, and he's looking at the quality of the things we're doing and how we're doing them. And he gives coaching and he gives guidance to the crews and to the crew leaders. And once a month, we pick one of the crew leaders based on their performance and their adherence to our standards of quality. And we say, you know what? You're the crew leader of the month. You get to drive the super cool crew leader of the month truck. And it's, hey, you know what? You would think, what's the big deal? But it's a big deal. These guys, I could give them $100 or I could give them the crew leader of the month truck. They would pick the crew leader of the month truck. But by the way, not only do they get to be bragging rights on the crew leader of the month truck, they actually get a gift. Yes, we actually have, this is pretty cool. We have a gift menu, right? A selection of things you can pick from for the crew leader. And we have another menu for the crew leader's spouse. So now the spouses at home are saying, hey, how you doing this month? They're like kicking them out of bed, go to work. They're like, hey, don't make mistakes. Hey, stay on top of quality, because the wives want the husbands to win crew leader of the month. Why? Because there's something in it for them. So we think that the best way to get the best quality out of our people is to incentivize them to do their very best job. How do we judge that? We judge that by you. If you give us a thumbs up, that was a great project. If anything went wrong and we get a thumb sideways or a thumbs down, oh, why? And we learn from that and we fix it and we make it better next time. And I thought it'd be good for you to see how we treat our people. We treat them the way we want to be treated, with honesty, with dignity, with respect, and we incentivize them to do a good job. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this short little video. We'd love to do business with you. If you live in the Houston market, give me a call or go to HoustonWindowExperts.com. If not, you live somewhere else, go to jeffslist.com, where I have a list of great window companies all over the country. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.